coming in from the top court where the hijab hearing is underway, and there are details of some observations by Justice Hemant Gupta that have come to fore. Now, the judge has asked if there is no power to prescribe uniform, can girls come in skirts and middies and whatever they want? The judge went on to say there is a dress code in a golf course. Can we say we cannot follow it? Dress code in a public place, for example, in a hotel, if they have a dress code, it can also be the norm or rule that shorts are not allowed in a restaurant. Justice Hemant Gupta also said once a lady lawyer appeared in the Supreme Court wearing a jeans and she was asked not to, she can also say, I will wear what I want. Let's go across to Harish, our legal editor. The emphasis as far as this observation is concerned is on the dress code, Harish.
Yes, that's right, Swati. In fact, Justice Hemant Gupta was referring to the conclusion brought in by the High Court while, in fact, upholding the hijab ban in education institutions. Remember, High Court had said that though right to freedom is a fundamental right, there are reasonable restrictions. No right is absolute, and an educational institution can impose a uniform in the interest of enforcing discipline, decorum, uniformity, and equality. So, while dealing with that issue, Justice Gupta asked if Act does not prescribe any dress, will executive power of the state will come in or not? Justice Hemant Gupta also went on to say if there is no power to prescribe uniform, can girls come in skirts and middies to the schools and wear whatever they want? Justice Hemant Gupta said the question in this matter can be modified a bit, like whether in a government institution you can say you want to wear a hijab. It may not be an essential practice, but if the government can regulate the dress code, and preamble says our country is a secular country, and the secular country means no bias towards any religion, and this will be the argument of the other side also. Justice Hemant Gupta went on to say that there is a dress code in a golf course. Can we say we cannot follow it? Right. Dress code for example, in a hotel, if they have a dress code, it can also be the norm or rule that shorts are not allowed in a restaurant. So, in a way, Supreme Court is prima facie agreeing with the fact that any institution can impose a dress code to enforce a sense of decorum, discipline, uniformity, and equality. So, very heated exchanges going on here.
Right, we'll come back to you as and when more details come up about this argument which is underway. For the moment, Harish, thank you very much for getting us the details.